Okay, now we're going to go through how to create a new recipe. You go down here to the pen paper recipe icon. You go up to the load new recipe, the open new recipe, and we've got 3 saved here, but we have the option to, or the ability to save up to 99. So let's just go into number 4 here. We're going to load. Now this number 4 is now loaded. So we're going to go back in the recipe page. Notice it does not have a name yet. It's just number 4. So we can change whatever we want to change on here. Belt speed, recip speed, and then what we want to do is we want to name it. So just call it new, hit enter, and we'll hit save. Now the name is saved up here in the top left corner. Go back into our load recipe page, and now we have this recipe number 4 is new. We want to go back, circuit 1 or circuit 2, recipe in. If we want to go back to new, back to the recipe page, back to open recipe, new, it just like uploads the new recipe or saves it.